Hello everybody. I'll do a little video here. I ain't done one in a while. We got a 6150 John Deere here. Pin housing broke out on the Tiger mower, so we'll pop that housing out, see if we can get it knocked out, cut that weld off, grind us some V's in there and get her welded back up. But I'll do a follow-up video on that. I ain't got no stand for no camera. I just have to use my phone here. So, and we got a truck in the shop here getting a complete AC makeover, getting a new dryer and compressor. Customer's original complaint a couple of weeks ago was compressors kicking off intermittently. When he first come in, he wanted me to change out this orifice tube. We did. The original one was completely full of metal shavings. This is the second one we put in, so I just recently took this one out. That's where we're at now. Hope everybody's having a good day, and remember, we're all Charlie Kirk.